Welcome my people, welcome back to Jambisco and TV. I don't know, say boy Jambisco back with a bad update and a mad update. Not a sad update, at least not this time, gang. Yeah man people, the numbers are in. And if you don't know what I'm talking about Masicka's Generation of Kings album. First week sales are in. Yeah man people, I'm not lie, it's looking pretty good. It's a good look. Yeah man people, we got a article here from Dancehall Mag covering on Masicka's debut album sale. It says Masicka's Generation of King, his first album under Def Jam Recordings, will make a strong debut and the Billboard Reggae album charts tomorrow. Okay. It says released on December 1st, the 17-track albums has sold 3,500 units in sales and streaming in the United States during its first week, according to data provided to Dancehall Mag from Billboard's sales tracker Luminate. Of this, there were 600 copies in pure album sales and 4.4 million in audio and video streaming in the US. Yo, people, that's a good look. Yeah, man, they said the album's lifetime sales, which including sales streaming equivalent album units from its pre-release singles Tyrant and Limelight, stand at 7,400 units, including 11.1 million in audio and video streaming in the US. Bad. Yo, that's a good look, people. Yeah, man. It says Masicka debut album 438, which was released in December 2021, a debut at number 2 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart and selling 2,864 units, including 733 pure copies during its first week of release. 438 has so far sold over 50,000 US in the US, according to Billboard. Yo, people, you hear that? Yeah, man, people, it's a good look, man. Yeah, man. Masicka sold 3,500 units in sales and streaming in the United States in its first week. Okay, yeah, man, 3,500 units. That's a good look. You know what I'm saying? For a lot of people was speculating on whether he's actually gonna do good or if his numbers is gonna, you know, how his numbers gonna look for the first week. You know what I mean? A lot of people say that the thing he had to beat, he has to beat Alkaline's top price first week album sales. You know what I'm saying? And you know, a lot of people was wondering if he can do it because Alkaline first week album sale for top price was actually in first week Alkaline's top price has sold 1,527 in pure album sales in its first week of release, according to information provided Dancehall Mag by MRC data, and it's predicted to debut at number 2 on the Billboard. You know, that's when top price drop. Okay, and yeah, man. So a lot of people were saying his numbers to beat in pure album sales was 1,500, but overall, Alkaline top price sold 2,957. Okay, in his first week. So a lot of people was like, yo, he's got to be 2,900 or 3,000, which he did. You know what I'm saying? Which he did. So I know a lot of I know a lot of the Genocide fans are going to be happy about that. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of the Vendetta fans, they're going to have mixed feelings. They're going to have a lot to debate about on this one. But yeah, man, people, it's a good look. His first week album sales 3,500. You know what I'm saying? And you see me now you beat Alkaline's top price. So do y'all call this a dub? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I call that a dub because according to the article, it says it sold 3,500 in its first week, and I believe so far overall it stands at 7,400 units once you include Tyrant and Limelight. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so yeah, man, first week sales are looking pretty good. And he went ahead and he did beat Alkaline's top price. So people, you know, let me know on the thing about the one day. I just came with a quick update. You know what I'm saying? Just to inform you guys. Yeah, man, it's a good look. Shout out to Masicka. Yeah, no joke.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.